Hello, and welcome to the Code Academy blogging module. In this video, you'll learn how to search for, read and comment on blogs, as well as creating your own blog. A blog is a website or page consisting of regular entries or posts, published chronologically, like a diary. Blogs can include text and enhanced content like video or audio. Readers of a blog can also interact with it by adding their own comments. Blogs can be put together using free, easy-to-use online software and tools. They therefore allow anyone with internet access to have a public voice, to say whatever they want to a potential audience of millions. Blogs are highly influential because their authors, known as bloggers, are usually impartial and both passionate and knowledgeable on their chosen blog topic. Brands can leverage blogs in three ways. They can advertise in them, because they're seen by consumers as credible environments. Secondly, they offer great insight into consumer sentiment and opinion. And thirdly, brands can set up their own blogs, known as corporate blogs, to develop intimate, up-to-the-minute dialogue with their consumers. So, let's start by finding some blogs using a blog search engine. These work like normal search engines, but are limited to blogs rather than the whole World Wide Web. The top blog search engine is Technorati.com, which has the advantage of listing the most popular and recommended blogs, as well as providing blog search. However, I prefer Google's blog search, which is also popular. So let's go to blogsearch.google.com. I want to search for blogs on a topic I'm interested in, say espresso. You certainly wouldn't find many mainstream websites devoted entirely to this subject, but here's a blog that is. This is part of the appeal of blogs to advertisers, the ability to communicate with an incredibly niche and relevant environment. So, your first task is to find 3 blogs. One on a topic you are interested in, anything from Spanish cookery to diving. One where something has been written about one of the brands you work on, and another about one of your competitors. Make a note of the blog's addresses, as you'll need them later. Here are some search tips. To search for an exact phrase, add speech marks at the front and the back. One word can often mean several different things, for example club, so think about this when you search. The more specific your search term, the more likely you are to find a good match. Think David Beckham rather than soccer. Now you know how to find blogs. Next, let's look at commenting on blogs. Commenting is what makes a blog a multi-way communications channel, allowing you to interact with the blog's author and also respond to other people's comments. This is hugely powerful for advertisers, allowing them to talk and listen to both their loyal customers and their detractors, and to facilitate genuine dialogue with them. Let's look at the blog for Southwest Airlines, one of the best known and respected corporate blogs. I'm going to reply to this post by clicking on its heading, entering my name, email and comments and clicking on the Post button. Now I've successfully started my dialogue with the brand. Now it's your turn. Add at least one comment to one of the blogs you found earlier. There is an unbreakable rule here. Do not lie or pretend to be someone you are not. Also, it helps to check the other comments to judge the tone and formality of the blog. Now you've found blogs and commented on them. Finally, you're going to create your own blog. The first thing you need to do is choose a subject for your blog. Many people write about their own day-to-day lives, thoughts and experiences. Alternatively, you could pick a topic you're passionate about. To create my blog, I'm going to use Blogger, the most popular dedicated blogging site currently available. Go to www.blogger.com and click on the Create Your Blog Now arrow. You need a Google account to use Blogger. To create one, complete all the fields and click on the Continue arrow. Now, select your blog's name and web address. I'm going to call mine Futures Worldwide blog, and I want my address to be futuresww.blogspot.com. Check to see if your address is already being used by clicking Check Availability. If it is, just try different ones until you find one that is available. When you are done, click on Continue. Select a blog design template and click on Continue. You can have a blog professionally designed, but this of course costs money. Now you can start writing blog entries by clicking the Start Posting arrow. First, enter a title for your first entry in the title field. Write what you want to say in the large text box. To add a picture, just click on the picture icon in the toolbar. Click on the Browse button, select an image and click Open. Select the size and position of your picture and choose a layout. Tick the Terms of Service box, then Upload Image, then Done. If you're not happy with your picture, just click on it and press the Delete key. Finally, I'm going to select some keywords that describe my post in the Labels for this post text box. Make sure you separate the keywords with a comma. You now have two options: saving or publishing your post. If you save it, it will remain private, and you will be able to edit it at a later date by clicking Edit Posts at the top of the page. If you publish your post, it will go live, although it can be edited afterwards. I'm going to publish mine now. Now click View Blog to view your live blog. Congratulations! You are now a blogger. To complete the final stage of this module, update your blog at least twice a week for the next 2 weeks.